Online accounts of celebrities were compromised over the weekend that included nude photos of actress Jennifer Lawrence. A Reddit user suggested that fellow Reddit users who had viewed the images of Lawrence donate to the Prostate Cancer Research Foundation. The account raised more than $6,000 before it was shut down by the foundation and the money was returned. Olympic gymnast Michaela Maroney, whose nude photos were also released, has taken legal actions claiming that she was underage when the photos were taken. Reddit moderators published a warning to its users saying the photos needed to be removed as they could potentially be classified as child pornography. The 9-year-old girl who accidentally shot and killed her shooting range instructor with an Uzi in Arizona last week said afterwards that the gun was too much for her, according to a police report. The police say in the immediate aftermath of the shooting on August 25th, the family did not realize that the instructor, Charles Vaca, was fatally wounded. According to a statement from the girl's father, he told the officers it appeared that the girl was injured as she was holding her shoulder. The father said the family huddled around her and was unaware that Vaca had been shot. That's all for BDC Now. It's brought to you by findmassmoney.com. 1 in 10 people have unclaimed property, so visit findmassmoney.com to find yours.